Kamusta mga balibulista? Pinataob ng Petrogas Angels ang Zeus Thunderbirds 25-16, 25-21, 25-21. Best player of the game si Brock Van Sickle sa likod ng kanyang 22 points mula sa 18 attacks, 1 block at 3 assists na may kasamang 11 digs. Wagi naman ang Akari Chargers kontra sa Capital One Solar Spikers 25-18, 27-25, 22-25, 25-14. Best player of the game si Oli Ocaro matapos nagtala ng 16 points mula sa 14 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Panalo naman ang Signal HD Spikers kontra sa Chocomocho Flying Titans 25-18, 25-21, 25-16. Best player of the game si Judith Abel matapos nagtala ng 15 excellent digs at 8 excellent receptions. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of July 18, 2024. Para sa Pool A, Cherry Tigo Crossovers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. NX Lead Chameleons 1 win 0 loss 2 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Creamline Cold Smashers 0 win 1 loss 1 point. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win 1 loss 1 point. Farm Fresh 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Para naman sa Pool B, Akari Chargers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Signal HD Spikers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Petrogas Angels 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Zeus Thunderbirds 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Chocomocho Flying Titans 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong July 20, 2024 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Sa first game, magtutos ang Inlex Lead Chameleons kontra sa Cherry Tigo Crossovers alas 2 ng hapon. Sa second game, magharap ang PLDT High Speed Hitters at Galleries Tower High Racers alas 4 ng hapon. At sa main game naman, maglalaban ang Farm Fresh at Creamline Cold Smashers alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.